Very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, I'm Shauli Chatterjee.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm a plus two appearing candidate. Ma'am, right now আমি একটুখানি like confused আছি pandemic situation এ like কি করব after I move on in my life, like কি course নিয়ে পড়লে আমার ভালো হয়, what should I do?
Okay. তো শাওলি তুমি কোন স্কুল থেকে পাস আউট?
Ma'am, Auxilium Convent, Bandra.
অক্সিলাম কনভেন্ট থেকে। ওকে। সো শাওলি তুমি কনফিউজ কেন? তুমি কি করতে চাইছো? তুমি কি নরমাল গ্রাজুয়েশন করতে চাইছো না অন্য কিছু করতে চাইছো?
ম্যাম, অন্য কিছু করতে চাইছি, লাইক কোনো জেনারেল স্ট্রিমে যেতে চাইছি না, বাট সামথিং আউট অফ দি অর্ডিনারি এরকম কিছু করতে চাইছি।
Okay, that means you're talking about professional courses, right?
ইয়েস ম্যাম, সর্ট অফ প্রফেশনাল কোর্সেস।
Okay, Shaoli. So it is really nice to see that you are having some sort of awareness about the professional courses, which can provide you the flourishing career opportunities. So, are you aware about the course like BBA?
ম্যাম, আই হ্যাভ সাম আইডিয়া, মানে কিছু আইডিয়া আছে যে ইটস আ প্রফেশনাল কোর্স, বিবিএ,
Okay.
বাট আই ডোন্ট হ্যাভ মাচ ইনফরমেশন অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট।
Okay, fine. So I will help you out with this. So BBA is basically a well-known, renowned management course. Okay. This is a
ওকে ম্যাম।
course which is a 3-year undergraduate program and which is divided into 6 semesters. Okay. The beauty of this
ওকে।
course is that it is open to all academic streams. That means science, commerce, and arts student can apply for it. Fine.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Whatever background you are from, you can apply for it. Okay. And the
ওকে
subjects
ম্যাম।
which will are taught in this course are related to management applications, which are very much required in the present industries or organization of which you can be part of. Right? When I say management subjects, I'm talking about subjects like marketing, finance, HR, business, law, and other subjects. Yes, Shauli, you were saying something?
Yes, ma'am. I was asking you to elaborate key management. Whatever you said, like ওটা কি? মানে ওখানে কি হয়? কি পড়ানো হয় বা something in it.
Management subjects হচ্ছে যেখানে তুমি organization, see, when I say ki you will be working in an organization, so organization work in a systematic order, right? And when
Yes,
I say
ma'am.
organization, it has got n number of departments which are interrelated to each other, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So these n number of departments include marketing, HR, finance, then what you can call research and development, right? And since every department is interrelated, so they need workforce which can really help in the promotion of the organization. And when I say workforce, that means we are talking about the human resource, okay, which are having skill and knowledge about these particular areas. So BBA actually helps you to develop the skills and knowledge about these areas.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Under Yes, ma'am. Understood. Um, ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
ma'am, I'm a resident of Hooghly. So,
Okay.
like, ma'am, I've heard about like in within my locality, I've heard about a college. So
Yes.
it's a bit popular, but
Okay. So
yeah, yes, ma'am.
okay. So you have heard about a college named Techno India Hooghly, I
Technically,
suppose.
yes, yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
exactly.
fine. So since this college is in Hooghly, so I think it will be convenient for you if I provide you the detailed information about it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, for sure.
Okay. So this college is a part of Techno India Group, which I think is a very renowned group in West Bengal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Techno India Hooghly is a part of this, and this college is affiliated under MAKAUT, Government of West Bengal Technology University. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and which was earlier known as WBUT. I hope you have heard about the name of WBUT, right?
Yes, ma'am. Heard about the name of WBUT, but Macau was new for me.
Now it is known as MAKAUT. Okay, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad University.
Hmm. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and this college is running this course from, I think, 2006. So you can understand that this college is having a very strong foothold with this course, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Shauli, do you know anyone who has passed out from this college? Since you are telling me that you are having some rough idea about it, so from where you have come to know about this college?
Ma'am, in my family, one of my relative was talking about this college because she was very much benefited, and I was not sure about this before I am in the same phase. I will be going appearing for a college, so I will be needing a college. So yeah, from my relative, I got this information.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, okay, fine. So that is very nice to know that you have someone who has passed out from our college, and the kind of benefits that student has achieved from this college has motivated you to come to know about this college, right?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Okay, since you are staying in Hooghly, so I would suggest Shauli that you should go. Rather, I would say that I should help you out with some basic information about the college.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so this college is
Sure.
located near Khadina Mode. I think you are well aware of it.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Okay,
Kadina.
from Khadina Mode, it hardly takes 15 to 10 minutes if you come by walking, and hardly 5 minutes if you take an auto. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Um, then I would also like to tell you about the fee structure of this college. Okay,
Okay,
which get
ma'am.
revised mm, after 2 years or 3 years, depending. So, have you do you have any idea about the fee structure of this college?
No, ma'am. No idea.
You don't have any ideas. Okay, so I help you out with this. So, the total fee structure of this course is 1,31,000. Okay, in starting, you have to pay near about 28,500. Okay, and after that, you have to pay 20,500 as a semester fee for the rest of the 5 semesters. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
স্টার্টিং এ তুমি 28,500 টাকা দেবে, তারপরে
Hmm?
5টা সেমেস্টার যেটা বাকি থাকবে সেখানে তুমি 20,500 টাকা দেবে, ঠিক আছে?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, apart from this you have some other expenses which will be near about 20,000 rupees, ठीक है? And that will include your registration fee which you have to pay once. Then you have an examination fee which you have to pay with every semester. Then you have
Okay, ma'am.
uniform charges which is also applicable once. That is near about 5,000 rupees. Okay?
Okay.
And
Um,
another
ma'am,
important thing which I would like to mention.
ma'am, sorry,
Yes,
sorry for
Shauli.
interruption. Ma'am, regarding the uniform fees, like what are the
Huh.
options do we have there?
Options means what? What will be provided in uniform?
What will be, yes, what will be provided
Or
in
the
that?
you will be provided with a dress material which will be containing two pieces of shirt, two shirt
Okay,
piece
ma'am.
will be there, one pant piece will be there, tie will be there, college bag will be there, and you will also be provided with a coat material that you
Okay,
have to
ma'am.
stitch on your own. Okay. And one important thing, Shauli, since you will, as you are interested in BBA, so you have to go through a common entrance test, which is known as CET.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, can you come again? Like, what do I have to do again?
For take for being in a this for to be in this course, you have to give one exam which is known as a common entrance test.
Okay, ma'am.
CET we
Uh,
call it as. For that also you have to pay a 600 rupees. That will be an online payment. Okay, that payment will go to university. Okay, it is a
okay, ma'am.
formality which student has to go through. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, any preparations that I would be needing for that?
preparation as such you don't need much. It will be the basic things will be there. You will be asked GK question, reasoning questions will be there, and questions
Okay,
from
ma'am.
English.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Ma'am, I had a question
Huh. Yes,
regarding
Shauli.
the like after passing the BBA,
Okay. Hmm.
Will I get
What
some
job
like a
opportunities you can look
job?
forward?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. That is a very what you can say important question, which I think every student feels like to ask, which is very obvious because you are part of professional course. So, Shauli, in that case, if you pursue this course, it is very sure that you will be getting a job in different areas, which I have told you earlier also, like in the field of marketing, HR, finance. Okay. Apart from this course will give you a wide exposure to avail the opportunities in the field of hotels, aviation industry, and digital marketing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Ma'am.
this course will act as a foundation course for you if you want to pursue your post graduation. Basically, because what I have seen, the trend is that after doing BBA, students like to go for MBA. So this BBA
Yes,
will act as a foundation course, and if you study hard in during this tenure of period, you will acquire a lot of knowledge which will be very beneficial for you when you will be moving for your higher studies.
definitely, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And about placement, since you have asked me, so I would like to tell you that companies like Amazon, Byju's, then you have Extra Mark, these companies comes to our premises or student go to these companies for the placements. In fact, you have the opportunity in IT sector also, like companies like TCS and Cognizant are also uh, absorbing the students from our college, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if
Okay,
you
ma'am.
want to move into the field of IT, you have TCS and Cognizant. If you want to move in other companies like Amazon, Byju's, Godrej, Beyonce, Extra Mark, then you can apply for these companies also. College will
Okay,
provide you the platform. College will help you to know when these companies are asking for the or looking for the candidates. Things will be
ma'am.
provided to you. Information will be given to you. You have to go accordingly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
And yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am,
Anything else,
during
Shravali, which you would like to know?
yes, yes, ma'am. And ma'am, during the situation, like if I could be like helped with means it's a dream that I if I could get an admission in TIH, but in that case, I came to know about the fee structure also. But এবার যদি মানে খানিকটা educational loan যদি মানে পেতাম তাহলে it would be a bit beneficial for me to pursue more in that.
Sure, sure, Shravali. Uh, if you are looking for the education loan, definitely will be able to get it because you will be studying under a brand name called Techno India, right? And the
Okay,
goodwill
ma'am.
of Techno India is such that once you will apply for the education loan, definitely you will be considered as a right applicant who can get the loan.
Okay, ma'am, is there
Okay.
any criteria for me to apply for that? Like, is there any percentage criteria for me to get those loans?
No,
Or
I think the for education loan, whatever documents will be required by the bank that you have to provide along with one letter that has to be provided by the college that will ensure that you are a part of this college.
okay, ma'am, understood.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Shravali, I forget to mention that since you are interested to go for a professional course, okay, and we have given you the information about the BBA. So, apart from management subjects that you will be learning, you will also get an exposure to internships, right? Industrial
Yes, ma'am.
visits, presentation and
Okay, ma'am.
assignments, which will really help you to groom yourself because that will give you the confidence to present yourself in front of a mass gathering, right? Because this is something which is expected from a BBA student that how they can present themselves in front of a gathering, right?
Yes, ma'am. Mm,
And apart
understood.
from this, this college will also help you to engage yourself in different curricular activities, which will help you to learn lots of things about different fields because college life is
Ma'am,
all about fun and all, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, definitely, ma'am. Ma'am, what kind of activities do I need to like know about?
You can involve yourself in sports activities, in cultural activities, then some environmental friendly activities, and you can go with your hobbies, which you think that can be really beneficial for you as well as for other people also. You can inspire them, right? In this college, you
Yes,
will be getting the facility of tech management, fest which is organized in this college, which helps
Okay, ma'am.
students from different colleges to participate in.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
And one
ma'am.
thing more I
Thank
would
you.
like to tell you that um, if you are part of this college, then there are various kind of certification courses which are offered by the university to the students to enhance their knowledge. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
some of them are paid, some of them are non-paid, or rather I would say some are paid, some are non-paid, but though which are non-paid, for them also you have to pay a nominal amount of fee charge.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Keeping in mind the present scenario in this pandemic situation, the university wants that students should come out with the overall development rather than to have a knowledge of their own subjects only. So
Right,
Techno
ma'am.
India Holy will give you full support so that by the time you complete your course and have a job in your hand, you should have an overall development of yourself, right?
Right, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And after completing this course, one thing that I'm sure of, that you can start earning as early as possible, because you will be getting a professional knowledge, you will be skilled like that, so you will be able to earn after completing your course or while pursuing this course.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that will give you financial freedom at a very early age, and this will
Yes.
also boost your morale as an individual,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
And that is the best thing you can have after doing a professional course, that you are having a job in your hand.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
And I've told you what kind of companies come to this college, so I hope if you work hard, you will be able to place yourself in these companies.
That's for sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, anything else,
That's
Shauli, which you like to want
uh,
me to tell you?
no, ma'am. That's it. That's on my part.
So fee structure
Thank you,
is
ma'am.
clear to you?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Fee structure is clear to you, and what kind of facilities you can get from the college, that is also clear to you, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shauri. So thanks a lot. In case if you need any kind of a help, I'm there for you.
Thank you, ma'am, so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Shauli.